What's up, everyone? I'm Gone in 60. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Got a short little video for you guys today. It's a hood graphic install on the Maverick. I did have a couple of subscribers that said try the Windex to use it instead of my soapy solution. I did both this time. I wanted to see how, had never used it before. The Windex worked very well. It was very slippery. It did evaporate good too. So thanks for that. Thanks for that note. First things first. Sip my Zoa. Alright, if you guys see The Rock, you tell him I'm still waiting on be thrown into a movie. I can do my own stunt driving. We'll see how that goes. I don't even think he's subscribed to the channel, but anyway. So this install it's a pretty quick video. And let me know what you guys think. I like the hood graphic. It came out pretty well. Now stay tuned till the end, okay? Because there is a surprise announcement about a Bronco. As you guys know, my hardtop Bronco is scheduled to be built January 10th. So that's right around the corner, and hopefully we'll have some really, really good Bronco content coming up soon. All right, I will see you soon. I'm Gone in 60. All right, so we're having beautiful weather here today in San Antonio, so I thought today would be a good day to put the hood graphic on that I ordered for the Maverick. It is about 76 degrees, something like that. Tomorrow will be 80 degrees. Beautiful weather, so time to do this. I've had this hood graphic in for probably about 3 weeks now and haven't had the time to do it. So just clean and prep the surface, and we'll get started. Okay, so let's get back to some steps that I've skipped. I have already pulled the backing off. I have already wet the graphic itself and wet the hood, where I wanted it. And I'm about to just squeegee some of the soapy solution out, so I can push it back a little, just position it a little better. And that's what we're doing right now. And I'm gonna leave this backing, this other backing on there for a while. The instructions say to, once you get it positioned, leave it there, let it sit in the sun for a little bit before you peel the backing off. That way it doesn't peel the sticker back off. So wish me luck. Last time I did this on the F-150, I had Mrs. Gone in 60 to help me. She is working, so I'm at it alone. Now everything is squeegeed out. I got as much moisture out as I can, as I could. I'm gonna let it sit, like it said, in the sunlight, so some of this moisture can go ahead and evaporate, and that way the actual adhesive from the vinyl can stick. There are some letters right here that say Maverick, and it's kind of you have to take your time when you're peeling this backing paper off to make sure those letters, some of the insides of them, stay where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna let it sit for 30 or 40 minutes and come back and we'll try to peel it off. And here's the finished product. There are a few water bubbles in there. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today. I'm just gonna park it in the sunlight. I like the way the Maverick shows through. Nice little visual, just a little visual addition. Pretty pleased with it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you soon. I'm Gone in 60. And this is a 2021 Outer Banks Bronco. Really nice. Got the leather interior, 2.7 liter. It is a soft top. And I am going to be able to do a couple of accessories on this. Nothing really extravagant, but more for the daily driver. We are going to go with wheels and tires on this, possibly some graphics or something. There's going to be some interior stuff that we're gonna fix. Also some type of paint protection. So let us know what you think. What would you do if this was your Bronco? And stay tuned. We'll see you shortly.